What's going on, everybody? So I'm about to hop in this thing, as you can tell by the title of the video. Back to my stomping grounds, the 01 Volvo tandem. But before we do that, we got the stacker fixed finally. Today's our first day back up and screening. Well, not that we ever took a day off, but first day back with the stacker and everything running awesome. Nice and flat back here now. I got to get up and tighten these bolts on the screener screen. So I'll do that, get Al to lift me up, tighten these up, make sure she's tight, hop in the truck, and get this day rolling. I didn't show you guys before, but we bought this Milwaukee Impact. It is unreal. The power that this thing has is great. Great review for Milwaukee. Al's loading up some soil into the trucks. I'm gonna hop in the Volvo and we're gonna get trucking. And just so everyone knows, I got all the trucks washed last weekend. Perfect. It's black, but it's good. This truck actually just got safetied this weekend. Safetied, and we just got it stickered. Bah! Boom. All right, one thing about getting it safety is don't know where the keys are.
Oh, there they are.
That's not where we keep them, so in case you were thinking about breaking in. These things take gasoline, right? You know, sometimes, guys, in life, you just have to ask yourself, am I subscribed to this channel that I'm watching? Just a thought. my turn. Wow, does it ever look different? So this is, you know, for you guys that may just be tuning in now, continuation of the video from last week, the foreman POV one.
The stressed out one.
Yeah. What did you do to relieve the stress over the weekend, Cork?
I have this stuffed animal my kids use, and it's no longer a stuffed animal, it's just a shell of its.
Oh, that's too poor animal.
Well.
Oh wow, look at this. Man, the topsoil's nice and fluffy.
Yeah.
Nothing but the best. Beautiful. I'm gonna have to leave that part out. I'm gonna blank out the word actually that he said and leave the rest of the conversation. So I'll leave out the part where you said.
Oh.
So we're not swearing, we're just saying, because this is Wednesday's video, and then the which is a blank for you guys right now. I'll do that Friday.
Oh, and it's a surprise.
Yeah, it's a surprise.
Surprise.
So make sure you guys stay tuned, subscribe for that, because Friday we have a pretty interesting video coming out. We bought an attachment from Cat. Not gonna tell you guys what it is. If you follow along on Instagram and everything else, you probably know what it is. But yeah, that's really exciting. We bought a brand new attachment from Cat for the skid steer. It's gonna be awesome. All right, so you want me to go get another one?
Yeah.
Okay. We're trucking. We're shifting gears in the 13 speed today. Like I said this before, a lot of people, if you've been, you know, subscribed for a while, then you know that this Volvo doesn't get used as much. A lot of times in the comments, people who have been here for a while always comment, hey, where's the Volvo? What are you doing with the Volvo? Well, now we got her here. She runs like a top. And for all the new subscribers, this is the truck that I learned how to drive manual on, really. Turning right on the Merch Road, right at Kavanaugh's Pit. Fantastic truck. A little underpowered, but nothing you can't handle. Don't even grind it. Get another load of that beautiful topsoil there, Al. All right, Al's gonna load me up. Just like sugar. Attaboy. Perfect amount. Beautiful. All right. You always got to give it a little kick. Yeah. 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 All right. Good to go. All right, so I'm backing in a different way now. Corey said that Kenny's been finding it easier driving in and then turning, so that's what we're gonna do here. And I'm assuming he pulls ahead. Up here. PTO, tailgate, up. Release the clutch, give her some juice. Perfect. Back for numero trois. That's 3 in Spanish. Oh yeah, baby. Load her up. Custom, look at that. Can you see that? Custom KWC AirPods. Not custom, I just got them engraved. This message is brought to you by Apple AirPods. Are you sick of being distracted while you're driving? Do you want to look like an entrepreneur? Then you need AirPods. AirPods. Your #1 choice in hands-free devices. I'm just kidding. But Apple, seriously, where's my paycheck?
Sad state of affairs. Half the people die while the rest of us are splitting hairs. It's a good world gone bad.
Alright, as I said, I'm gonna leave you guys here with these lads, show you guys how they're spreading out this stuff. Sure Corey will do a good job showing you guys.
Oh, you're gonna keep them here with me?
Yeah, I want to see, I want to show spreading out the soil.
Okay, we're learning.
Yeah?
We're trying different things.
What are you trying?
Right now he's trying to powder it in there.
Oh, powdering, is that like a, you learned that from Brandon from Elite Earthquake?
Yeah, well, yeah, I think Brandon's philosophy is more like compacted.
More?
Just kidding, Brandon.
Yeah.
You know we love you.
Kidding, but not really. All right, hopefully you guys enjoyed that. I just dropped off, delivered my last load. Wow. Now it's time to head back to the yard, go see Al, see how he's doing, and we'll carry on from there. All right, truck on, baby, truck on. Woo! Attaboy, Al, look at that. Just after 5 o'clock now. Al's got some soil finally piled up. He's doing an awesome job. That wraps up that video for today. I got back to the yard, I did a bunch of stuff with the shovel. Just pretty much a trucking and showing you guys how that topsoil spreads out. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you're not yet subscribed, what are you doing? Hit the subscribe button, hit that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below. Appreciate you guys. Catch you on the next one. Woo! And no, I didn't forget about you guys. The True Patriots channel that watch the entire videos to the very end, which is right now. And if you are one of those True Patriots, I want you to comment down below, grind it. Why grind it? Because I was grinding all 13 of those gears today trying to find it. getting the job done, hauling that topsoil. So if you watch the entire video, comment down below, grind it. I appreciate you guys. Catch you on the next one. Woo!